What's up, 9-rounders? Kick and Ken's here, and today I want to share with you our top 3 tips for a 9-round beginner. First, as you set up your routine, we want to make sure that you set up a routine that's consistent and manageable for you. We want to make sure that you're still getting enough vigorous intensity exercise each week while also making sure your body is getting the proper rest and recovery that it needs. This will also help to prevent you from becoming burnt out. At 9Round, we typically recommend that each member starts with 3 workouts a week. This makes sure that you're hitting those exercise goals, but also, once again, getting that proper rest and recovery. One of the most common mistakes seen early on in someone's 9-round journey is starting off with too many workouts in one week and not listening to their body. Don't worry, as you become more comfortable with 9-round and your new workout routine, you can continue to add workouts and continue to progress as you go. Tip number 2, focus on your form rather than just speed and accuracy right from the start. At 9-round, we like to say quality over quantity. Don't try to go as fast as you can and get in as many reps as possible, except for with those challenge rounds. Don't be afraid to ask your champion trainer to help you out with your form, either with kickboxing movements, with those functional training movements. Make sure you ask them for that help so we can nail down that form. That will definitely help decrease our risk for injury, but also to improve as we go. We will continue to get better with the kickboxing. If you haven't yet, make sure you check out the how-to video section within the member portal. This has some great guidance on how to nail down our basic kickboxing movements. The third tip that we have for you for a 9-round beginner is making sure that you're fueling your body properly around the clock. We want to focus on that frequency, making sure we're eating every 3 to 4 hours. We want to focus on that quality, making sure that we're eating a well-balanced diet full of whole grains, protein, healthy fats, lots of fruits and vegetables. This will help us to make sure we're giving our body the proper fuel that it needs to function at its best. It's also important to make sure that you eat before and after your workout so you're giving your body the energy it needs to complete the workout, as well as the energy it needs to refuel post-workout. Remember, you can always review your 9-round member portal nutrition guide, as well as those recipes and some of the tips and tricks that are within the member portal to help you focus on this nutrition. So remember, our top 3 tips for 9-round beginners are picking a routine that you can stay consistent with, making sure that you're focusing on that good form, quality over quantity, and then making sure we're properly fueling our bodies for our workout so we'll feel better overall. Keep kicking, 9-rounders.